Supplemental list, item number 1. Right click on option.
Also, this is the disclosure phase. I will find an IFO modification. The first paragraph, it is written as it is pending in STJM Bhubaneswar instead of STJM Pulwani.
IA number 570 of 2025 is an application for revision from the order dated 9/5/2025. The counsel for the petition submitted that inadvertently in the second subparagraph, the name of the court has been mentioned as SDGM Bhubaneswar in place of SDGM Pulwani, and the same may be corrected accordingly. And counsel for the state has no objection. Therefore, in the second subparagraph, that the court name has been mentioned as SDGM Bhubaneswar inverted comma. The same shall be wrote as SDGM Pulwani. The rest part of the order remains unaltered. IA is disposed of.
Item 2. Item 3.
Also, in this case, the petitioner of the lady having a 4-year-old kid in custody right now since 21/3/25. Admittedly, rupees 20 lakh has been transferred to the petitioner's account from a firm called RK Enterprises. The petitioner admittedly has no nexus with the RK Enterprises. The sole proprietor of the firm RK Enterprises is the father-in-law of the petitioner. But the petitioner has no nexus with the firm as such.
Have you obtained the case record?
I have not obtained case record.
Read the case record.
You'll have to be willing to deposit the amount of.
Case diary. Yes, next.
Item 4.
Four notices.
Extra copy notice next.
Item 5.
I think the petitioner always approved this under the court, the office is granted
250 kg ganja.
in bail for a period of 3 months. On expiry of that period below, he is surrendered before the law of court.
And counsel for the state shall obtain instruction in the concerned IAC regarding the conduct of the petition while an interim bail. Because this matter after concerned some other. Yes.
Item 6.
6 also is there, notice to part.
Extra copy notice.
Item 7.
Item 7, may I please go? Allegation is that the petitioner was holding 2 ball miller. जो पक्षी मारिवा ये धरला because they are staying in the hilly area and jungle area. The Lordship has glance page 10. The place of occurrence is in the forest and hilly area where they are residing. And that much allegation is there. Custody since 8/4/25. With the paid 2 guns in last 10 years, he stated that he paid those guns for safety of his family members from the wild animals entering to his village from the nearby forest and hilly areas.
Or the run counsel for the petition run counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the run counsel for the petition. That the petition is in judicial custody since 9/4/25. Investigation has made substantial progress. We're hearing the Land Council for the state. I'm inclined to review the petition on bail subject to condition. It shall appear before the IO as and when request. And somewhat indulge in any criminal activities. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of the law.
Item 8.
Offense tribal by magistrate, but I have some criminal antecedent that will follow in numbers. 14 criminal antecedent, page 14.
Yes, comprehensive affidavit to be filed relating to the criminal and status of the
Case diary also not there.
CD and we obtained them.
Item 9.
Notice.
Extra copy. Notices.
Case diary there.
Yes, sir. Notice or use case day, extra copy notice or confirmation letter. Yes.
Item 10.
What is this offense?
Melody, against the petitioner 201.
Have you got the case diary?
Yes, ma'am. The accident hit.
Hmm?
A man dispose of dead body, dispose of. The deceased was moving in the tractor, and the main accused was the driver of the tractor.
Hmm.
The tractor met with an accident, and deceased died. The case registered. That's it submitted under section 105 to 38B.
105.
My lord. Culpable homicide not amounted.
Hmm. Then 238.
201.
Asha.
Against the petitioner 201.
Where is the council? It's not there. Next. So,
Item 11.
The corresponding offense of prosecution 3B, but the petition has several criminal antecedents.
34 criminal and sorry.
34 criminal antecedent, comprehensive affidavit to be filed.
Item 12.
12 minute 457 380. Confessional statement of the co-accused. 5 minute they are custody in another case. Sunavada PS case number 142 5 of 2024. Miller the accused Miller confessed that they along with the petitioner committed this crime.
Except from the temple, my lord, and the petitioner was engaging juveniles to commit the crime, and he himself engaging the juveniles to commit the crime, and after commission of the crime, he was collecting all the stolen articles and selling
What
them.
about the criminal antecedent?
Four number of criminal antecedents.
457 380. ସବୁଟା ପୁରୁଣା ମାନେ ଲେଖା ହେଇକି ଗୋଟେ ରନିଂ ପେଜ ଗୋଟେ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ବି ହେଇଗଲାଣି
I am not having the case date.
Comprehensive affidavit to be filed. Next.
ଆଉ ସବୁଗୁଡା 457
ମନ୍ଦିର ଚୋରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
Item 13.
ଥାନାରେ appeal କରୁ
Yes, yes, no. Item
confessional
13.
statement of the court
No,
during occasion will liberty the charge sheet
I need to move. Is item 13,
Matter of the POCSO is not
it's a book sir
extra copy.
Item 14.
14 minute. Petitioner is a guilty and since 34/2025 she is being custody. She is a physical handicap lady. The allegation is of misappropriation of government amount up to the tune of 1,20,000.
She was working as Gramin Dax, she has misappropriated 1.20 lakhs. CD would be required.
You are in custody since when?
34/2025. And she is a physically handicapped
Council for
lady
the
also.
petition land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council that the petitioner is a illegal and she is in judicial custody since everything
30/4/2025.
and the offences are tribal magistrate and the misappropriation amount is rupees 1,20,000. And after hearing the land council for the state and keeping in view the provided section so and so, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition he shall She shall cooperate with the investigation.
And that money may be secured.
Yes,
That money may be secured.
you know. Money is 1,20,000.
1,20,000.
Yes.
Item 15.
May I proceed? Ganja Miller is more than small quantity and less than commercial. Rejection is 18 of that of rupees. It will mention more than quantity.
What is the quantity?
10 kg.
No, where it is mentioned.
Not mentioned in the-
Rejection not mentioned,
Yeah.
but it will mention करचंती it is a more than
Less than permissible quantity.
small quantity. एपटे सर एक धोला एक जरी बस्तारे 10 किलोग्राम बेआईन गंजाई खाई
Hardly and counsel for the petition and counsel for the state. Considering submission made by the learned counsel for the petition. That the petitioner is in judicial custody since
16/4/2025
16/4/2024.
25
25. And the quantity of ganja stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 10 kg, which would be evident from the seizure list filed today in court, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the land counsel for the state, who submitted that the petitioners are from state of West Bengal, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that before accepting the bail bond, the land special judge shall verify the correctness of the address furnished in the cost title through the superintendent of police, Jajpur. And local secretary. Allowed.
Item 16.
Petitioner was petition under section 392 of IPC, while the petitioner in custody in another case, remanded in
14
this
antecedents.
case. 16/7/2024.
14 antecedents against the petitioner. And petitioner has a gang against them. There are 48 cases. in the law.
Rejection order, it is mentioned that 50 numbers of similar nature of us. So comprehensive affidavit to be filed relating to the status of the case. Let me 50 criminal antecedent achieve. Yes.
Item 17.
May I proceed? 20B2C of NDPS Act, my lord, 24 kg of ganja.
After vacation. Next.
Item 18.
My lord, petitioner is the husband, my lord. I am in virtual, my lord.
302 achieve. Okay,
My lord, 16
Yes, sir,
witnesses
it's not
examined.
CD.
But all evidence has been sought, my lord.
After vacation.
Last witness examined
Item
1 year back,
19.
my lord.
All identified by the companies. Item 19.
Item 19 please your the petitioner is in custody since
P76. CD would be.
CD and
May I submit one thing?
criminal antecedent in the report, etc. Yes, next.
Item 20.
Yes, sir, item 21 after vacation.
20 after vacation. Next one.
Item 21.
21.
May I please?
376. Extra copy notice. बाकी CD अच्छी
CD.
CD अच्छी चलो. Next criminal antecedent. Next.
Item 22.
Boxer is there. Oxo extra copy. Next.
Item 23.
23 may I please?
376 free extra copy. Next.
Item 24.
That is to be taken informant to this. Yes, next. Item 24.
24 is also copied.
Oxo extra copy.
CD and once.
Yeah.
Item 25.
These are 2 million.
302 अच्छी की है.
CD.
CD. Criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 26.
Also allegation under section 22 of NDPS Act.
What is the quantity?
4.5
pass.
And you are in custody since
or 24/4/25.
24/4/25. 4 kg 500 grams lesser than commercial. allowed. Next.
Item 27.
10 kilo 500 grams. Local women and custody since 28/4.
28/4/25, 10 kg 500 grams allowed.
Item 28.
Allegation number 109 only, so this is the laboratory's method.
You accede on her. What's the case, baby? So,
307.
307.
STD for
ACD, burn injury is ACD injury.
No, sir.
Have you
Only
obtained the case?
that report is not.
That injury report and also obtain the victims, the AC portfolio victim ro photograph and injury report, and criminal antecedent also.
No, that is criminal activity.
Let us come, yes. Yes, next.
Item 29.
307 is there. In charge sheet has already submitted. Petitioner is in custody 5/2/2025 and injuries are simple in nature. My associate is there, certified copy of the charge sheet where injury is mentioned in the brief facts. The injury is lacerated injuries and the abrasion are there. Charge sheet has already submitted. He is a laborer, my lord.
Nobody is there here. Mr. Bahali, nobody is here.
Kindly pass over. I will just submit, my lord. Kindly.
Next.
Item 30.
Please, my lord. I am from Virtual Court,
Next.
Dharampur. This is the case under section 64, subsection 2, 69 to 96,
Call the next.
351 of BNS Review section 3, 1 and 2 of
It's under section 20B2C of NDK Act, 24 kg only.
Sure. Yes, direct criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 32.
May I please?
376, 3 HE extra copy, notice. Next.
Item 33.
33. 11 kg. Custody के वो 26/3/2025 26/3/25 11 kg 800 allowed. Next.
My lord, item number 30 is skipped.
May I please? Objection under section.
34.
Offense under section 309 in custody since profit to 1 similar same person similar offense is another granted bail in most of the cases.
92 robbery, 16 criminal antecedent.
16/16. अच्छा. Comprehensive affidavit to file 16 criminal antecedent. Next.
Item 35.
35.
175, 177, 419, 420, 438, 471, 34 IPC. Allegation identification or but is a proper out of 35 executant who were absent before are lodged by the sub-registrar. Kapukipada, they are giving the false document and that is for 20 years. Out of 35 executants, 2 executants were absent. And in the group, another 2 were present. That is the allegation.
Counsel for the petition and counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the one counsel for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 1/4/2025. Investigation has made substantial progress and the offences are established in magistrate. After hearing the one counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 36.
Due to non-taking of steps by the conducting counsel, on strength of evidence was arrested and subsequently her bail application has been rejected. Is in custody since 3rd April 2025. And the date is 317 petition was not filed by the concerned advocate.
The petition was filed, but due to non-taking of state Hon'Ble arrest was issued, the virtue of which she was taken into judicial custody on
3rd April 2025.
3rd April 2025, and it's a quantity of ganja is lesser than commercial the bar and not applicable 37 is allowed. Next.
Item 37.
109 along with other offences, my lord. In the meantime, I have got the certified copy of the discharge certificate along with the injured statement. They are discharged from hospital, my lord. I give you the certified copy.
Extortion and attempt to murder, my lord.
Assaulted by means of a sword.
Yes.
Causing
I have not received the
Yes,
case diary.
Already discharged
nature of
from
injury sustained.
one injury, he is discharged from hospital. I have given the certified copy, my lord.
Previous one also.
And I have folded the injured statement, my lord. One is below Mohan Chaudhary.
This statement was recorded in the while he was undergoing
Yes,
treatment in
yes.
Barampur NKCG hospital.
Yes,
And the discharge was made on 6 days thereafter,
Aye.
27.
Yes.
And there are Dadabati,
That extortion and 7 man.
criminal antecedent and
My lord.
Criminal antecedent, I have
Case diary is not
comprehensive
with me, my lord.
affidavit.
current counsel for the state citizen of
Comprehensive affidavit and
to file the criminal.
already it's been.
And comprehensive affidavit. And
Your lordship, kindly
case diary. Case diary, criminal antecedent and after vacation.
In status of the
Status of case, the comprehensive affidavit. Yes,
During vacation, my lord.
during vacation. Yes, that.
Item 38.
case diary is not.
CD criminal antecedent.
Item 39.
Yes. Case diary is there.
39. On behalf of the
Adjournment after vacation.
Item 40.
Present BNS, present dictionary and purpose in 3 for 2020.
379.
What is the subject matter of case?
Subject matter, stolen of
Motorcycle. And a rejection order reveals the similar type of case are there.
For number of motorcycle.
What is the date of custody?
3 for 2025.
Okay, 3/4/25, Magistrate Tribunal opens. State Council submit that there are some criminal antecedent against the petitioner of similar in nature, allowed to be released on bail. Right? Yes, next.
Item 41.
395, no case diary.
CD and criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 42.
This case are registered under section 115 plus 2, 126 plus 2, 331 plus 3, 7 and 3 plus 5 of BNS Act. Subsequently turned into offense under section 115 plus 2, 126 plus 2.
14307. My lord, injury report, case diary record, my lord. The injured was treated first at Ashwini Hospital, then shifted to some hospital, and another injured.
CD injury report and health condition of the injured. Yes.
Item 43.
376, no case diary.
CP, criminal antecedent, next.
Item 44.
395, no case diary.
CDCA,
Item 45.
Here, article offense 498, 304 IPC. And,
No case diary, my lord.
but I have got the certified copy entire charge sheet, my lord. Here, I am a senior inspector safety and fire of IFCO. I have been arrested. You have a glance over the.
he is not having the case diary, so.
Yes, my lord, it's senior inspector, my lord. The time reveals that.
Let him bring the case diaries. Next.
And it contains every document. My lord, here in fact.
Keep giving me copy and move during vacation. Yes, next.
Item 46.
Item 46.
Copy, your lord, I have handed over.
Copy of the case diary handed over to the land council for the state. Put up and move during vacation. Yes, next.
Item 46.
This, I'm saying custody since 27/10/2023. Around 1.5 years have elapsed. Being implicated on the case, your case on 47/376 privately.
Deposition copies?
My lord, 160.
No,
he is-
already examined.
Already examined the copy.
Okay. Have you got the deposition copy?
I have got the deposition copy. Not all the deposition, but the victim's deposition copy. You are asking.
What is? That's it.
When you are in custody?
Since 27/10/2023.
27/10?
10/2023.
My lord, there is the injury on her genitals.
Heard the land council for the petition, land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 27/10/2023. In the meantime, trial has already commenced. And, the victim has been examined as PW6, which is a major for. And land council for the petitioner placed the statement, victim's evidence after hearing the land council for the respective parties. And period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody. And since at this point of time, there is no chance of tampering with the evidence of the victim, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the learned and trial but on each date with the case to be posted for trial. And he shall not try to come in contact with the victim, violation of any terms and conditions, and cancellation. This is taken on record for you.
Item 47.
Hello, 109 is the main offense, my lord. 307. I have annexed the injury report. Lordship may kindly have a glance, my lord. Page 14 and 15. From page 11, it starts, my lord. The injury report. All the injuries are simple, my lord.
The petitioner, 3 injured are there. The petitioner having 5 criminal accident.
All 3 I have annexed, my lord. Simple injuries. Out of
out of village dispute, this occurrence took place. And so,
5 criminal, out of that, one is under section 376 and POCSO.
Yes, Mr. Mishra. Highly comprehensive affidavit. The learned counsel for the, you have got the case diary?
Yes, my lord.
The learned counsel for the state has pointed out from the case diary that there are 5 criminal antecedents against the petitioner, including one under section 376 IPC. Let the learned counsel for the petitioner obtain instruction in respect of such criminal antecedent and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases. Yes.
Item 48.
48. Extra
I am the headmaster of the Middle English School.
Short term extra copy, notice to go. Yes, next.
Item 49.
Commercial Pandit.
Sir, on behalf of Mr. J.K. Panda, I pray this item may be taken after vacation.
Yes, summer vacation, city achi na. City and city to be open. Next.
Item 49. Item 50.
15.
302.
302.
4 years in custody.
Witnesses are, 3 antecedents are available.
4 years in custody, direction was already to expedite the trial, but out of 26 witnesses, or 4 or something.
How many witnesses are there?
In total, my lord. In total,
But
24, 6 witnesses have been examined.
no, it was earlier rejected by Justice Anand Chandra Mehra.
Yes. With the direction to conclude the trial, but
Since the earlier bail application of the petitioner in BLAPL number 6948 of 2022 was rejected by Justice Anand Chandra Mehra and order dated 7/11/2024. Put up this matter along with so also before appropriate bench will be approved.
there again, जाऊँ से
Honorable Chief Justice. Yes,
unless that bench is there in the bail bench, it's not listed anymore.
let a notice be
Item 51.
May I be your lordship? This is the successive bail application and this is the case under section 457, 380, 363, 366, 376-2 and 120B, 34 of IPC and along with the 6 of POCSO Act, Your Honor.
a copy to be served and notice to go. Yes, next.
Item 52.
Maybe organizing 85, 80, 103, 351. Sir, 4 of this.
Corresponding officer 302, 304B, your lordship.
302, 304.
4B, within 1 year of marriage.
You have received the case diary.
Petitioners are father-in-law and mother-in-law.
Custody is 2012.
We are the father-in-law, mother-in-law. So since when they are in custody?
2012,
2012, 20
4
and charge sheet submitted. Under what offenses? You have got the copy of the charge sheet. What are the offenses? You have annexed it, acha.
Yes, annexed to madam.
85, 80.
80, 103,
85. This one. 85, 498. 80. Dowry day 304B. 103. Murder. 354 of dowry provision. So, what is the cause of death?
That is the claim received.
May I place the statement of the husband?
No, please place that postmortem report.
That is phase 1.
302 charge sheet has been submitted.
Page number 102.
Page number
102.
102. Cause of death is due to asphyxia.
The cause of death is specific.
consistent with the finding of strangulation.
Strangulation. ଶାଢୀରେ ବାନ୍ଧିକି ମାରିଲେ
Huh?
ଶାଢୀରେ ବାନ୍ଧିକି ମାରିଛନ୍ତି
Huh. That ligature is also not obliquely placed, that is how to morality.
family member with consistent statement she was open to torture and everything. Demand of dowry was also there.
What is there against this petitioners, two petitioners?
Uh,
The husband is in custody.
Husband, I'm conscious that his statement may not be admissible. I'll just place it for your lordship's reference. May I read the relevant part?
Yes?
I'm conscious that husband's statement would not be admissible, but I may place it here for him. This his name is Mamali. On 18/12/2024 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ରାତିରେ ଖାଇଲା ବେଳକୁ ମାମାଲି ମୋ ସହିତ ଯୁକ୍ତିତର୍କ କଲା। ମାମାଲିର ଏଭଳି ବ୍ୟବହାରରେ ମୁଁ ଅତିଷ୍ଠ ହୋଇ ମୁଁ ବଡ ପାଟିରେ ଗାଳିଗୁଲାଜ କରି ସେ ରାତିରେ ନ ଖାଇ ଶୋଇଲା। ମୁଁ ଭୋର ସକାଳୁ ତାକୁ ଉଠାଇବାରୁ ଉଠାଇଲା ନାହିଁ, ମୋ ସହିତ ଯୁକ୍ତିତର୍କ କଲା। ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ମୋର ବାପା ମାଙ୍କୁ ଡାକି କହିଲି, ଦେଖ ତୁମର ବୋହୂ ରାତିରେ ଖାଇନି ଏବଂ ପୁଣି ମୋ ସହିତ କଳିକଜିଆ କରୁଛି। ମୋ ବାପା ମା ତାକୁ ଯେତେ ଡାକିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ନ ଉଠି ତାକୁ ଗାଳିଗୁଲାଜ କଲା। ମୁଁ ରାଗି ଯାଇ ତାକୁ ଆଜି ମାରିଦେବି କହି ଶୋଇବା ଘରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଶାଢୀ ଆଣି ମାମାଲିର ତଣ୍ଟିକୁ ଚିପି ଧରିଲି। ଏଥିରେ ମୋ ବାପା ମା ମତେ ସହଯୋଗ କଲେ ଏବଂ କହୁଥାନ୍ତି ଆଜି ତାକୁ ମାରିଦେବା, ତୋ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ବୋହୂ ଆଣିବା। ମାମାଲି ମରିଯିବା ଦେଖି ମୁଁ ଡରିଯାଇ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲି। And there are post occurrence witness. May I place it?
You see, all these things happened inside the four walls of the house, right? So, it's a case of homicidal death, and the case, the dead body was also found inside the house. So, what are the chinos, so and so. How many years after the marriage this thing?
So within 1 year of she got married on 9/5/2024 and she died on 19/12/24 within 6 months of
Short for summer vacation next.
Item 53.
The charge sheet has been submitted under 376, 506 and 454.
Yes, there is CD, criminal and
CD and CA.
54.
Item 54.
Right, legal. This is having indicated only on the basis of the construction of section of the main item. To check the information of the jewelers and taken some gold ornament. And the melted the same in the shop room of the present.
There are 9
Shop room
items.
stands naming the father of the petition. There is obviously can see there's 15.
9 criminal antecedents.
But that has been where they forwarded the accused.
Find that comprehensive affidavit to be.
I have mentioned in a paragraph 7. Paragraph 7 is clear.
No, like,
Item 55.
During vacation in lordship.
yes.
So for the sub-item is concerned, my lord, having 7 antecedents.
The same problem. 7 antecedents. First house is 9, second house is 7, comprehensive affidavit to be filed. Yes, next.
Item 55.
55, Mr. Kuntia.
137 to 64 2 years, BNS, section of the POXA.
So POXO.
Extra copy notice.
Item 56.
650 liters of ideal liquor. No antecedent.
So I've taken 150 liters of liquor. Antecedent may be. CD is not there.
Ideal liquor.
Twenty-five for 2025, Magistrate Travel Offense, investigation was made for this, allowed, reported with investigation, and some not indulge in any criminal activities, allowed next.
Item 57.
One is of POXO.
Extra copy notice.
Item 58.
Yes. 302 case, sorry, please. 202, my lord. Earlier, the matter was disposed of by this honorable court in dual appeal number 6295 of 2015. It appeared that earlier their applications were disposed of by this matter, and now it's also before the appropriate bench with the approval of the honorable Chief Justice. Case diary be obtained in the meantime. Yes, next.
Item 59.
Extra copy to be served, notice. Yes.
Item 60.
May please, my lord, allegation is under section 13(1), 13(2) of
Vigilance.
Within
Have you given a copy to the Vigilance Council? Vigilance Council.
I will serve another copy.
Give let a copy of the bail application be served on the Learning Standing Council for the Vigilance Department. Put up this matter and put up in
Acquisition bench.
Put up in
Item 61.
On custody in 21/11 to 24. Allegations put to 105/85 to 96.
302 and 304B. Sheet is not available.
302. No,
304B.
criminal
302.
city and criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 64.
During
City,
during vacation.
457,380.
During vacation.
Only because the petitioner is having some criminal antecedent, bail has been rejected. The petitioner is inside custody since 15/12/2024, my lord. 21 years old, young boy, my lord.
Young boy of age about 21 years, magistrate tribal offences. Hearing the land council for the issue submitted that the petitioner has some criminal antecedent of similar nature. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail, appear before the IO once in a week on every Sunday, 10 to 4 for a period of 3 months. Yes, allow this.
Item 63.
No, after vacations, 304. Yes, Mr. Tripathi.
Sir, after vacation.
After vacation, next.
Item 64.
And for 09, petition petitioner in custody since 1st December 2023.
What is the allegation?
Allegation is
6 lakhs rupees.
the bank manager 409. Working
Amount is 6
6
lakhs rupees.
6 lakhs.
1/2/2023 in custody, master travel offense. Amount involved is 6 lakhs allowed.
Item 65.
My lord, section 6 and section 6 of the POCSO Act says that.
Extra copies are noticed. Yes.
Item 66.
307 injury simple have annexed the certified copy of the injury report. For Lichu fully
307 multiple injuries. It is
kind of to injury description for doctor has mentioned patient was fully conscious, oriented and stable at the time of examination.
Jone injured.
John injured. So
Ramakanta Baria.
statement and tar the certified copy statement.
FIR the full Ramakanta Baria
Again.
is the informant.
Informant from injured.
Or the land council for the petition, land council for the state, considering the submission made by the land council for the petition. So the petitioner is in judicial custody since 4/4/25, and the injured has sustained simple injury, which should be evident from the medical report and next to the bail application of the anxious fee. And after going through the statement of the injured, which is filed in court and taken on record, and hearing the land council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the London trial court on each date to which the case will be posted for trial, and shall not indulge in any criminal activities, violation of any terms and conditions, or until cancellation of bail allowed.
Item 67.
67, Mr.
Deputy 2 kg ganja. 3 kg ganja.
3 kg and what pudding?
First May 2025.
2 kg रखा है जी?
2 kg.
2 kg, हाँ. 1st May 2025, 2 kg ganja lesser than commercial quantity allowed. Next.
Item 68.
Statute number 3041-392. The charge sheet has already been submitted. The stolen article is the chain. It has already been recovered. It is mentioned in the rejection order. This is the copy of the charge sheet, madam. It is mentioned at page 8, para 3. In course of the investigation, the gold chain was recovered from the house of petitioner Rajiv Sagar, whereas the gold earring were recovered from the co-accused Ashok.
Snatching of gold chain.
And it was recovered and charge sheet already filed.
You are in custody since when?
Custody since they were arrested on 1-3-2025.
Court election the
list of dates.
are the land council.
And this is the copy of the charge sheet
for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 1-3-2025.
Petitioners.
Petitioners. And in the meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted. Section so on so. That is 3042 11235 317/2 of the DNS. And the stolen articles have already been recovered. And after hearing the land council for the state, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed 2 days.
Item 69.
69, my lord, theft of some articles
From
like
blood bank.
blood bank inverter battery, steel water tap और steel chair थोड़ा सब नहीं गले वो निजो confession रे आगे implicit तौल वाले वो एक ही जन गले. This is the order of the co-accused.
Rejection order showing the antecedents there.
See, तोरोड़ा कौन है? तौल वाले co-accused जन गले.
When you are in custody?
My lord, the petitioner was arrested on basing on the statement of the co-accused on 1-3-25.
The land council for the petition land council for the state, considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 1-3-2025, and offences are traveled by magistrate, and after hearing the land council for the state submitted by the petitioner has got similar antecedent. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to conditions which will appear with
The charge sheet also my lord submitted.
charge sheet submitted. Achhi copy is charge sheet has been submitted in the section one appears with the IAC copy. IAC or Swan for police station. Once in a week on Sunday, Swan for 3 months allowed over.
Item 70.
Extra copy notice. CD अच्छी है
CD है
अच्छी अच्छा पहले से जो कम ये आने में हाँ अब अच्छी
Pass over item number 2.
password item number
303
password password item number 2
It is there.
yes 302 case
Yes.
and it was rejected earlier by which bench? No, regular bail. Ashok Kumar, you not know, Kishore Kumar. No, so this petitioner has not come earlier.
No.
Eyewitness is Coily.
You are in custody since when? Yes,
6/2/25.
6/2/25. Charge sheet haven't?
Yes.
Charge sheet under what offences?
The petition is absconder, case of the year 2021. The charge sheet under section 302, 457, 506, 34 IPC.
302, 457,
506, 34 IPC.
34.
My lord. The eyewitness is Koili Khuntia.
Ki Khuntia?
Koili Khuntia.
Koili.
My lord.
KOILI Khuntia.
My lord.
अच्छा, आई विटनेस कौन से कौची?
ସେତିକିବେଳେ ଆମ ପଡୋଶୀ କମଳାକାନ୍ତ ମହାପାତ୍ରର ପୁଅ କିଶୋର ମହାପାତ୍ର ପିଟିସନର ଆମ ଘର ପଛପଟ କବାଟକୁ ପିଟି ମୋ ପୁଅକୁ ପିଟିଲା, ମାରିବାକୁ ଧମକ ଦେଲା। ପୁଅ ଭୟରେ ଖାଇବା ଛାଡି ଉଠି
What is the name of the deceased?
Deceased is Kishore, no, sorry. ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର ଖୁଣ୍ଟିଆ।
କୋଇଲି ଖୁଣ୍ଟିଆର ପୁଅ?
My lord.
ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର ଖୁଣ୍ଟିଆ?
My lord.
ହଁ, କଣ ହେଲା ତାପରେ?
ପୁଅ ଭୟରେ ଖାଇବା ସ୍ଥାନ ଛାଡି ଉଠିଲା, ତାକୁ କିଶୋର ମହାପାତ୍ର ଆଉ ପୁନା ଭଞ୍ଜ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ପଛପଟୁ ଡାକି ନେଇ ଶିଳପୁଆରେ ମୋ ପୁଅ ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ଫଟାଇ ଦେଲା। ସେ ତଳେ ପଡିଗଲା। ମୋ ସାମ୍ନାରେ କିଶୋର ମହାପାତ୍ର ମୋ ପୁଅ ମୋ ଆଖି ସାମ୍ନାରେ କିଶୋର ମହାପାତ୍ର ମୋ ପୁଅ ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ର ଖୁଣ୍ଟିଆକୁ ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ଶିଳପୁଆରେ ପିଟି ଦେଲା। The ଶିଳପୁଆ was produced before the
छुट्टी पर after vacation. Next.
Item 10.
After vacation. अच्छी case date.
Case date.
Next.
Item 29.
Madam, my associate is there, 109 simple injury, and charge sheet has already been submitted 28/3/2025. Petitioner is in custody 5/2/2025, and petitioner is a laborer and dispute between husband wife. And copy of the charge sheet is there. That in the brief facts it is mentioned that lacerated and abrasion, simple injury. And petitioner is also a psychiatric patient, aged about 25 years.
Yes, who is the injured in this case?
This is the wife, Pooja Dehuri. Pooja Oraf Bonita Behera Dehuri, wife. And page 16 brief facts, the IO mentioned that verified the CA of accused Pavana
Bonita year kain medical exemption report to nahi adere?
नहीं आज्ञा से जो brief facts रे IO submitted that middle part रे verified the CA of the accused Pavana Deuri but found nothing adverse against him except this case and obtained injury opinion in respect of injured Pooja Bonita Deuri from MO Dr. So-and-so, in which the MO opined that lacerated injury size of so-and-so extending from so-and-so and multiple small abrasion over anterior neck and left side of face, which is simple in nature, caused by sharp cutting weapon.
If the opinion is sending the letter to the doctor or fine.
And under intoxication he has done it and blade रे से ताकू attack करथला. And he is a psychiatric patient and charge sheet has already submitted 28/3/2025.
You assaulted your wife?
Yes. Under intoxication.
As the Learning Council for the petition and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Learning Council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 5/2/2025. And in the meantime, in completion of investigation, charge sheet has been submitted under section 85, 115 bracket is 2, 118 bracket is 1, 1019 bracket is 1 of BNS. And the injury sustained by the injured wife of the petitioner are simple in nature, which would be evident from the charge sheet, copy of which is filed and taken on record. And the hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. This is item number.
Item 61, yeah.
Item 30.
Please, my lord. This is a case under section 64, 69, 296, 115, 30, 51, 2 of BNS, reduced section 3132 of SC/ST P Act, Your Honor. The accused is inside jail custody since 21st of February 2025.
It's extra.
Has already been released on bail. Charge sheet has already been submitted.
That SC/ST Act has noticed. Yes, next.
Item 61, yeah. Item 61, yeah. Item 61, yeah. Item 61 sir, final charge sheet will file is. Item 61.
So, जहाँ order is 61 कौन है?
Sir, इसमें जो charge sheet
One is
simple
CD
नहीं तो 490.
CDC आसियो.
Sir, 50 भीतर sir.
Yes.